Welcome back to another episode of Kevin's Garage. Today, as you can tell, we are definitely not in the garage, but we are out on the boat and going to be testing out the hydrofoil that I just installed. So we're starting the test out with this 15 horsepower on the lowest trim setting and no fin. I have GPS speedometer going, got that set up on the tablet right here. My very janky setup, but it'll work. So we'll start off our test with the lowest trim setting on the motor. Let's do this. With these first settings, I found a bow rise of 18 degrees and a top speed of 24 miles an hour. Okay, so now we have the second trim setting set. So it was one up from all the way down, and we'll give it a go. This run, it took me a little bit longer to get up to top speed, but I eventually measured a bow rise of 21 degrees and a top speed of 24.66 miles per hour. So for the sake of this test, I'm only going to be trying the bottom two trim settings. We've tried it with the third trim setting before, and it was nearly impossible to get on plane. I went back to the boat and reinstalled the fin for the next test. Okay, so we have the fin back on the motor. Now we're gonna head out and do the same two tests again. Okay, so we're back out here. We got the fin on. We're at the lowest trim setting, and we'll give this a shot. Wow, that is nice. On this third run, I immediately felt the effects of the hydrofoil. I experienced a bow rise of 10 degrees and a top speed of 22 miles an hour. So right off the bat, I realized that the boat behaves significantly better. There's less bow rise, it planes better, it rides better, but it does seem to ride at an angle, and it doesn't go as fast. So it looks like I lost like 2 miles an hour of top speed, which actually isn't too bad. But the weird part is that it's riding kind of at an angle. So we'll kick it up one notch and give it a go. All right, let's do this. Finally, on this last run, I got a bow rise of 12 degrees and a top speed of 23.5 miles an hour. So overall, I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. Here's a quick recap of my findings. Overall, I am very satisfied with the hydrofoil. The boat planes quicker and at slower speeds and feels easier to pilot. These numbers will vary given on the size of your boat and engine, but are still a good benchmark here to test the effectiveness of the hydrofoil. I highly recommend this, and I have a link to it in the description. So this boat we've actually named Bodhisattva, and if you want to follow us on different adventures, we have another channel called Pierce Power Adventures that kind of documents where we go around the San Juan Islands, Puget Sound area. So if you want to check it out, it'll be in the description below. Thank you for watching this episode of Kevin's Garage. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later.